Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms. Let's first start by going to that page, forms.google.com, and you can see that there are a variety of templates that you can use to start your project. They have templates for course evaluations, worksheets, assessments, exit tickets, blank quizzes, and a form that you can actually format yourself. In today's job aid, I'm going to show the steps necessary for making a self-graded quiz using Google Forms by clicking on blank quiz. The first thing that I like to do is just start, and this is just a demo quiz. And then we're going to start with our first question. I want to start with name, and you'll notice that it pops up as a short answer. And I'm going to come down here and click on required so that all students have to sign in with their name so that I can see their respective quiz answers. So we're going to go up here and we're going to click on the plus sign to add our first question. Say, what is 3 less than negative 5? And I'm going to change this to be a multiple choice question. My first answer might be 8, negative 8, 11, and 2. Next, you want to go to the answer key, click on that, and show that the correct answer is -8. And then you'll notice you come up here, and this is where you can assign how many points you want for a correct answer. I'm going to give it 1. Okay. You can go up here to change your color palette. So if I want to change it to a blue background, under the settings icon, I want to draw your attention to this. I'm currently using my university Gmail address, as the high school where I teach does not have Gmail. So in order for me to send this survey or this quiz to my students and allow them to complete it, I would need to unclick this so that I have the option of sending it to anyone and they would not be barred from filling it out. As I mentioned, the send, I can send this link, or I can send it as an email with a email address, subject title, and a brief message. This is very handy if I want to send it to a student who maybe is ill, or maybe I want to share it with a teacher in another school district. I'm going to switch over to a quiz that I completed previously. You'll notice it's a math quiz and it has 2 short questions. And up here you can see that I have 2 responses. I have 2 responses because I hit the preview button so that I can see what the survey or the quiz is going to look like when my students access it. I'm going to click on, well, let's go ahead and complete this like we're taking the quiz. So here's a preview of it. And you notice that I'm going to have to complete my name and then answer the questions. I'm going to answer this one incorrectly on purpose and the last one correctly on purpose, and submit it. Now, the student will receive this message: view your score or submit another response. I'm going to hit View Your Score, and you can see that I have immediate feedback and I have the wrong answer as I intended. The correct answer is -6, and in a real life scenario I might have also given a much more detailed response as to why this was an incorrect answer so the student could have some feedback with regard to their error. And then the second question I did get correct. Notice up here that the student would have an immediate score to help them evaluate their assessment of learning. This is a great tool to use with students, and I hope that you will take advantage of this form.